विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. बेकायदेशीरपणान 88 खणींचे लीज नूतनीकरण केल्ल्याचे प्रकरण उक्ताडार आयला. ह्या संदर्भात गोवा फाउंडेशनाचे क्लाउद आल्वारिसान लोकायुक्ता कडेन 300 पानांची तक्रार दाखल केल्या. 88 खणींचे लीज नूतनीकरण म्हळ्यार देशांतलो सगळ्यांत व्हड घोटाळो म्हण गोवा फाउंडेशनाचे अध्यक्ष क्लाउद आल्वारिसान आरोप केला. RD एक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
रिकवरी बद्दल कोण उलयनात, ते कित्याक उलयतले? हे सगळे कॅम्पेन आमी सुरू केलां. हांवें रस्त्यार आयले लोक, ते कोणाचे कॅम्पेन? कोणाचो लॉस जाला? प्रामाणीक लॉस जाला यांचो, मायनींग कंपनींचो. वेदांता कंपनीन डेम्पो मायनींग कॉर्पोरेशनाचे ताणें मीन घेवंक नात, पयशे दिवंक 1750 crores ताणें पयशे म्हणून हे विकती घेवंक ना मायन. ती सगळी इल्लिगल जाली न्हू. आनी वेदांताचे सगळे लीज गेले न्हू. सो भरपूर पयसो गेला. मायनींग कंपनी भरपूर लॉस जाला, मोमेंतोक भरपूर लॉस जाला. त्या कारण तांकां बरो एजिटेशन इन्स्टिगेट करतात. यू वॉन्ट टू वेस्ट युअर टायम, यू फायल रिव्यू पिटिशन. So basically they are trying to tell the mining affected people, we will file a review petition. But what is the review petition going to get them? Is it going to get the leases restored? No. They are going to say, you suspend the judgment till so that we can continue mining. But already the Supreme Court has said that we are cancelling 88 leases because of corruption. So why will the Supreme Court allow you to continue for another 1-2 years till auction takes place? If already the first judgment said because of corruption we are cancelling these leases. So these people are not thinking properly. They should think properly. If they don't think properly, mining will not recover for many years. I am very glad that now there is some noise being made that the truck owners will take over the mining, village communities will take over. I said let everybody take over. But these mining companies which have created hell in the last 10-15 years, not one of them should be allowed to operate again. But good sense is not available. And since there is nobody in charge in this administration today, this advisory committee has got, they have got the remote control, but as that Herald cartoonist has said, they have removed the batteries from the remote control. We are going to have this state of paralysis for at least 2 to 3 months more. And we have filed a complaint against Mr. Lakshmikant Parshankar, Minister of Mines, Chief Minister, during the period when these 88 leases were given. We have also made respondents Mr. Prasanna Acharya, Director of Mines, and Mr. Pawan Kumar Sen, who was Secretary Mines during the period when these 88 leases were given. I'll tell you how we have worked out that figure. 65,000 crores is the recovery amount for 5 years of illegal mining from 2007 till 2012. That mining was illegal by order of Supreme Court. What these three individuals have done is they have tried to regularize that period by renewing the leases from the year 2007.